How to fix file not supported on CapCut. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very easy video. So let's get started right away. Now the reason why your file is not supported is exactly what it actually says. CapCut can't just have every file. So there's only a couple of them that you can actually use. MP4 for example is the best one. MOV is probably usable as well because that's usually how videos, the file type for videos from iPhone. So yeah, now I over here want to go to Google and I want to search for video converter. Now you might also have an app for this in the Play Store and App Store, but I believe in the App Store some cost money, which I don't really like, and probably you neither because you just want to do it for free. So search for video converter. I actually like the V one right over here. Now, if you click on there, you can see convert your file. Click on there as well. Then the v.io will open up and you have to upload a file right here. Click on there, click on photo library, and then go ahead and select your video. Now, I over here have a screen record video. I do know that this file is actually supported in CapCut, but I just want to show you guys how to do this process if you have a video that isn't supported. So right here, it says convert to. You want to go ahead and convert this to MP4. Now this is the easiest way because this file is always supported. So simply click on convert and then it is currently converting the file. Since it is only a 5-second video, this goes very fast. So simply click on download file, click on download, then right over here, open up the downloads, click on the video and there you go. It now looks like this, perfectly fine. Then what you want to do is click on the share button in the bottom left corner and then hit save video right over here. Then go back to CapCut because we have now saved this video in our Photos app. Click on new project and then simply select the video right over here. Add this and there you go. We have now got the video in here, which is super easy. So yeah, that is basically it. That's how you can fix file not supported on CapCut. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.